गणानाथाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Hello, welcome to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread a little love during this Ganesh Chaturthi. Your pile is back with another video. Today, a bomb girl has recreated this look. Now, I've tried to achieve a Marathi look. I don't know how much successful I am. वो तो आप ही बता पाओगे that am I like looking like a Marathi girl or not. I've tried to make this look as simple as it is, and I'm very excited for this look and how it turned out. तो मैंने बहुत चीज़ों को break down किया है, and I've tried to tell you the products, as well as I've tried to make it simpler because I'm not a pro, I'm not a makeup artist, I've not learned anywhere makeup. But yeah, one thing is that कि makeup क्या होता है that you experiment, like you आज गलत होगी कल you will get it right, like धीरे धीरे करके you will learn it.
So I apply rose water because it instantly refreshes my skin. So it is very important to prep your face, like your cleansing, toning, moisturizing. Your serums are very important when it comes to before doing any makeup. After that, I am applying a serum. So I am using Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum. So it will also act as your primer. So you don't need extra. If you don't have any primer, don't worry. I'm also not using any primer in this makeup look. I'm mixing the two shades of Maybelline Fit Me foundation. They are totally matte. I'm using 322 and 230 shade from that range because it's perfectly matches my skin tone. Because sometimes I do tan up, so 230 beige looks like a little brightened up my face, मतलब थोड़ा whitish लग जाता है. As you can see in the video, I am crossing out the areas where I have to conceal my face. Then I am using my beauty blender and mix it properly. Like I am blending it, tapping with the tapping motion. I am blending it properly. Make sure that your foundation as well as your concealer are like blended properly. Otherwise, it will look cakey and it will not sit properly into your skin. Don't forget to apply the foundation onto your neck areas as well, so that it looks seamless, uneven na lage like your face is some other color. As well as make sure that you apply it on your ears also, so that pura even out your skin tone lage. Then I am doing my eyebrows. I am using Innisfree eyebrow pencil. Trust me guys, it is one of the best eyebrow pencil I've come across. Budget friendly. It's around 350 rupees, and it's like, I don't know how other beauty bloggers haven't talked about it, but trust me guys, I'm loving it. So when I compare to Wet n Wild retractable like eyebrow pencil, I prefer Innisfree. I've used both. I like the Wet n Wild ones too, but if you ask me, then I will always tell you that Innisfree, you must try the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. It is wonderful. Then I am applying the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer above my eyebrow and the lower of my eyebrow, so that I could my eyebrows look very sharp and clean. I generally don't like that sharp edgy eyebrows, but I like to do it as natural as it possible, because today I'm not showing you any glamorous sort of videos or something like you have to be so perfect of. Just you make sure that your whatever you are applying, it looks seamless, and you don't have to be perfect in everything. So I am using Nika K pink palette for my eyes. So I'm taking the lighter shade of pink as well as the little darker shade of the previous version. So I'm placing it in my crease line. Make sure you first I'm applying it in my crease line. Crease line is the area. So crease line is the area where you can see the hollows. When you open the eyes, you see there is a semicircle drawn in your eyes. So that is the crease line of your face. So you are placing the color first and then you are blending it properly. I am mixing the two colors. With the fluffy brush, I am blending it properly. You have to do it in a wiping motion. Then with the flat brush, I am taking the same concealer, Fit Me concealer, and I will do a little cut crease. I will do just a little cut crease in the middle of my eyes, like in the eyelid portion, just to pop my sparkle color. I am only using this Nika K palette. I am not using any other palette. So these are the colors that you will get in every like most of the palettes. If you buy the whole slot of palette of 20 or 15 colors, you will easily find the pink color in most of the palettes. So you can play this color with as well as green also. This same process, you have to take the lighter green color as well as darker green color, one shade darker, and same you can do it with any of the colors. You can do with orange also. Because my outfit is little pinkish color as well as violet, so I am like doing a pink sort of makeup look. So I am now placing the color, the sparkle color from this palette. The pinkish, I'm using the violet pink color as well as dark pink color, medium dark pink color from this palette, and just I'm placing that color with the finger tip in my cut crease area. Make sure that you don't apply much. After that, I am applying the blue eyeliner, and also I will repeat the same, like as I've shown you in the first, like I was blending with the colors like a darker shade of pink as well as lower shade of pink. I will do the same thing in the lower bottom line of my eyes, and then I am using a blue eyeliner to line my eyes, as well as I am doing a half liner in the side of my eyes as well as on the inner corners of my eyes. So now I am using Wet n Wild contour and bronzer palette. I am using this white powder shade to powder my eyes. I don't like baking my face much because I don't feel like baking my face much. Like, it's my preference. You can bake your face. You have seen other beauty bloggers doing it. It's fine, but I don't like to bake my face. It's my preference. So I get a flawless base, like without applying a baking thing on my face. So I'm just powdering my eyes, under eyes, and as well as the side of my nose, and I'm using the same powder shade to powder the whole face so that my foundation sits properly. Then I'm using a Maybelline highlighter. I'm applying it above my lip area as well as chin, where I like to highlight a little. So this highlighting process is up to you. If you want to highlight your cheekbones, or you can highlight the above of your, you can highlight the above portion of your eyebrow as well as forehead. It all's up to you. Like, I am doing a simple basic not so party look. It's a minimum look, so I am not just going for a damn bright highlighting, no. And the last and the most loved part of my face is my lips. And I am using a lipstick from Lakme, a Prime Plus matte lipstick, and also I am topping it with a matte lipstick from the same brand Lakme, so that my lipstick stays at the place the whole time. So with that, I am applying a makeup fixer so that I want it to last the whole day, because today is Ganesh Puja and I am attending a puja at my best friend's place. So I need that this makeup stays till evening, so I'm staying over there. So I'm using Faces Canada makeup fixer, so it does not give you the full matte kind of look. It will give you a dewish texture, just because my foundation as well as the concealer is totally matte. I want something to be little glowy, to give my face little glow. So at last I am applying lots and lots of mascara. I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and it just instantly curls up your lashes, and it will look like natural voluminous lashes you want. I'm not applying any falsies today because I wanted to keep it a very beginner friendly as well as very natural. And generally you don't apply falsies at a regular basis. I don't think so. I don't apply falsies at regular basis. So with that, I am wearing my outfit, as well as the outfit I am talking about. This is a langawani, which is a very traditional saris of South Indian. So I've tried to combine the South as well as the Marathi style into my look as well as my dress. So I've tried to make it a little mixture or amalgamation, or I've given my own tadka into it. So with that, I am wearing the bindi, as well as I am wearing the traditional Marathi nut. This nut I have bought from Amazon. I will provide you the link, and this is very convenient. So finally my look is incomplete without bangles. So you have seen Marathis as well as South Indians wearing the Kach Kachuri, like glass bangles, and that is their what you say, that is their go-to thing. So I am wearing the bangles and I'm done with it.
I hope you're gonna like this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get notification when I post a video. Bye.
गौरी तनयाय धीमहि